4 clues to guess the card. What is it? This is Mark. This is English fluency practice. This is the card guessing game. I will give you 4 clues and you guess what is behind the card. Today's topic is be healthy. In our last video, I gave you these 4 clues. Let's review the 4 clues and find out what is behind the card, shall we? Okay, great. Here we go. Clue number 1. It's a popular beverage. It's a popular beverage. Clue 2. It's made from roasting special beans. It's made from roasting special beans. Clue 3. It can be served hot or cold. It can be served hot or cold. And clue 4. It can be enjoyed with sugar and milk. It can be enjoyed with sugar and milk. It can be enjoyed with sugar and milk. Do you know what it is? Okay, well, let's find out. Here we go. Drum roll. And it is coffee. Yes, it's coffee. Good, good, good. It's a popular beverage, right? Many people like coffee. Many people enjoy drinking coffee. It's made from roasting special beans. Yeah, coffee beans. You can see the coffee bean there. Roasting, that's using heat to dry out the bean, so then it can be crushed, and then you can add hot water and make coffee from it. Yep. It can be served hot or cold. Some people like iced coffee in the summer. I personally like hot coffee year-round. I don't really enjoy iced coffee. I prefer hot. Hotter the better for me. And it can be enjoyed with sugar and milk. Not me. I like my coffee black. I do not put milk in my sugar. Or I do not put milk in my coffee. I do not put sugar in my coffee. I like it just the way it is, a la natural, right? The way it was intended to be drunk. Okay, good. Well, as you know, there is another item behind the card. What else is behind the card? I have 4 clues. The topic is be healthy. Yeah, okay, here we go. Here are the 4 clues. Clue number 1, it's a clear and colorless liquid. It's a clear and colorless liquid. 2, it's essential for life and hydration. It's essential for life and hydration. Clue 3, it makes up a significant part of the earth. It makes up a significant part of the earth. And clue 4, you drink it to quench your thirst. You drink it to quench your thirst. What is it? Okay, you have to come back for the next video for the answer, all right? So thank you very much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So please go to Patreon, check out those worksheets. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.